These 5 ongoing series that makes you crazy. First one is A Dog and a Plane, which is a hit 2026 Thai BL romantic comedy series starring Tai Dhawan and New Thitipum. New is a perfect flight attendant and Tai is chaotic emergency medical technician, who team up to expose a cheating pilot, turning an angry clash into a sweet romance. This series is packed with the chemistry and romance between them. Kanit is a strict flight attendant and Toto is a broke, sassy paramedic. As Toto and Kanit spend more time together, they slowly go from enemies to lovers. Kanit's sweet care for Toto makes Toto fall in love with him. The story begins with bickering between Toto and Kanit, eventually blossoming into romance. Although Toto didn't believe in love, but he becomes obsessed with Kanit after meeting him, and Kanit eventually realizes who truly loves him. The series has it all, from heartbreak to romance. You should definitely watch it. Second one is Deep In, which is the Chinese BL series. The 2 main actors starring in the series are Liu Tianyu and Li Shuyuan. It follows actor Zheng Jun and young director Zhen Xian as they star in a psychological film about a doctor and patient. Zheng Jun goes to audition for the daring LGBTQ+ film into the role to save his slumping career. There, he meets the young, acclaimed prodigy Zhen Xian. His intrusive behavior causes their off-screen relationship to spiral out of control. They both are jealous person, but when Zhen Xian's jealousy bubbles over, his physical actions become heavy and controlling. The movie they are filming, their characters share a relationship built on desire, control, and heavy emotional manipulation. I will recommend this drama to you. Third one is The Prosecutor's Proposal, which is a 2026 South Korean mystery romance BL series. The 2 main actors starring in the series are Park Si-woo and Yoo Do-gun. It's following 2 men connected by a murder 15 years ago who reunite as a cold prosecutor and a rookie investigator to fight corporate corruption while navigating a dangerous mutual attraction. Joo Tae-seon is a brilliant, cold, and unpredictable perfectionist prosecutor who is deeply traumatized by the murder of his father 15 years ago. In the other side, Lee Chae-ha is a deeply traumatized, highly resilient, and emotionally vulnerable individual struggling to find his identity outside of his past. Joo Tae claimed to hate Chae-ha but was actually obsessed with her. They fell in love with each other. You should watch this mysterious drama. Fourth one is Don't Be Too Emotional, is a Thai romantic drama starring by T. Buniket Wong Sajim as Jane and Heng Thatpong Roj Sangrung as Jenali. The story follows that Jane Patrick is a mysterious university student who is rich, arrogant, and emotionless. And the other side, Jenali is a fearless and smart football player. They meet over a lost football, an ordinary incident that shatters the supernatural boundaries on campus. Accidentally, Jenali's ball ends up near the intimidating of Jane. While any other student would have abandoned the ball or panicked, Jenali ignores all the terrifying rumors. He walks straight up to Jane with zero fear. As they spend more time together, he peels back Jane's intimidating layers to discover a surprisingly gentle, soft-hearted, and protective side. Jenali becomes fiercely determined to investigate Jane's painful past and understand the heavy burdens he carries. If you don't watch the drama, you will miss all the drama. Fifth one is Not, which is a 2026 Thai romantic BL drama series. It stars Ot Paskorn Sandatana as Pasa and Bot Yongyut Termchuo as Nakhu. It is recognized as the first mainstream Thai Omegaverse production following the lives of Pasa and Nakhu. Pasa grows up entirely unaware that a supernatural society divided into alphas, betas, and omegas exists. Nakhu, a cold true alpha and the primary heir to a powerful family. One night, Nakhu, a cold, stern true alpha, unexpectedly bites Pasa, and their story starts from this. They are forced to live together while navigating the rigid rules of their involuntary connection. As they spend time together, their connection grows stronger and harder to escape the closer they get. As fated mates, if the bond completes and one person dies, the other person will also die automatically.